front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, click on Connection and Sharing, tap on Printing, and Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different service instead, you need to disable this one by tapping on blue switcher next to Use Print Service. Then click on the back button, tap on Add Service, and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, just click on the back button twice. Lastly, click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!